Kalimera, welcome back to Samos Virtual. No bicycle weather today, so instead, even though it's cloudy, we decided to show you a little bit of South-East Samos, starting from Vathi. From Vathi, we drove through Paliokastro towards Kerveli. Then we went down to Possidonio-Psili Ammos, where we saw the little island of Windmills, and back to Pythagorio. The view over here is very hard to capture on a mobile phone. It is very beautiful. The Bay of Kerveli down there, and right now in the middle of the screen, the small island of Kasonisi with the clear blue water. The beautiful Bay of Possidonio here, which is also very nice to visit by boat. And directly behind, the mountains of Turkey, covered by clouds. This little church you find just before you come to Psili Ammos beach. And there's also the monument to remember the Greek-Turkish war that ended in 1922. It just started to rain, but I would like to show you the old salt factory in Mykali and the lake with the flamingos that are still here at the moment. Here we are on sandy Psili Ammos in the rain with the small island of Varelloudi between Samos Island and Turkey and its beautiful blue waters. At this moment there's still enough water in the salty lake of Mykali, so the flamingos have not left yet. I hope you can see some of them in the back over here. And these are the remains of the salt factory that we saw from above, just next to the lake with the flamingos. The beach of Mykali, where you look towards the Turkish mountain on the one side, and on the other side the way to Pythagorio with the windmills on the top of the mountain. And now we're all the way on the other side, up on the mountain at the windmills that I told you about before, because they were not really visible from the beach of Mykali, and we're almost back in Pythagorio. Thank you for joining us on a rainy excursion today with Samos Virtual, and I look forward to seeing you in a more sunny video the next time.